Trên nesaf I gyrraedd platfform 1 fydd y gwasanaeth 21 munud I 1 o'r gloch trafnidiaeth Cymru I Manceinion Piccadilly yn galw am Has Newydd, Cwm Bran, Pontypool a Newyn, Avanti, o'r Leinster, Llwyddiog, Craven Arms, Church Stretton a Mwythig, Crew, Wilmslow, Stockport a Manceinion Piccadilly. Platfform 1 am y gwasanaeth 21 munud I 1 o'r gloch trafnidiaeth Cymru I Manceinion Piccadilly. Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platfform os gwelwch yn dda.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 12:39 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Newport, Cwmbran, Pontypool and Newham, Abergavenny, Hereford, Leinster, Ludlow, Craven Arms, Church Stretton, Shrewsbury, Crewe, Wilmslow, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Platform 1 for the 12:39 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Trên nesaf I gyrraedd platfform 1 fydd y gwasanaeth 20 munud wedi 12 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Llundain Euston. Y galw am Has Newydd, Crystal Parkway, Swindon a Llundain Euston. Platfform 1 am y gwasanaeth 20 munud wedi 12 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Llundain Euston. Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren ac ymyl y platfform os gwelwch yn dda. Mae dosbarth cyntaf yn harf 1 a 2. Mae dosbarth safonol yn harf 3 a 9. Mae lle I feinciau yn harf 3 a 8. Mae cyfleusterau cadair olwyn yn harf 1 a 9.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 12:20 Great Western Railway service to London Euston, calling at Newport, Bristol Parkway, Swindon and London Euston. Platform 1 for the 12:20 Great Western Railway service to London Euston. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. First class accommodation can be found in zones 1 and 2, standard class in zones 3 to 9, cycle spaces in zones 3 and 8, wheelchair facilities in zones 1 and 9.
Y tren nesaf I adael platfform 3 fydd y gwasanaeth 21 munud wedi 2 o'r gloch I Preston. I galw am Crew, Wilmslow, Stockport, Manceinion Victoria, Euston, Chorley, Leyland a Preston. Platfform 3 am y gwasanaeth 21 munud wedi 2 o'r gloch I Preston. Sefwch yn ôl o ymyl y platfform nes bod y tren wedi bod I aros os gwelwch yn dda. Nodwch os gwelwch yn dda bod y tren hwyr yn galw yn Crew, Wilmslow, Stockport, Manceinion Victoria, Euston, Chorley a Leyland heddiw.
The next train to depart from platform 3 will be the 14:21 service to Preston, calling at Crewe, Wilmslow, Stockport, Manchester Victoria, Bolton, Chorley, Leyland and Preston. Platform 3 for the 14:21 service to Preston. Please stand back from the platform edge until your train comes to a halt.
Y tren am platfform 0 yw gwasanaeth 7 o'r gloch I Gaerdydd, yn galw am Has Newydd, Cyffordd Trynnel Hafren, Patchway, Bristol Parkway, Cheltenham Spa, Birmingham New Street, Burton-on-Trent, Derby, Chesterfield, Sheffield, Wakefield Westgate, Leeds, Caer Efrog, Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, Dunbar a Caeredin. Platform 0 am y gwasanaeth 7 o'r gloch I Gaerdydd.
The train at platform 0 is the 0700 service to Edinburgh, calling at Newport, Seven Tunnel Junction, Patchway, Bristol Parkway, Cheltenham Spa, Birmingham New Street, Burton-on-Trent, Derby, Chesterfield, Sheffield, Wakefield Westgate, Leeds, York, Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, Dunbar and Edinburgh. Platform 0 for the 0700 service to Edinburgh. The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 1918 Service to London Paddington. Calling at Newport, Bristol Parkway, Swindon, Reading and London Paddington. Platform 1 for the 1918 Avanti, West Coast. To London Paddington. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. First class accommodation can be found in zones 8 and 9. Standard class in zones 1, 2, 7. Cycle spaces in zones 2 and 7. Wheelchair facilities in zones 1 and 9. The next train to depart from platform 0 will be the 0800 Midlands Railway. Service to Great Malvern. Calling at Newport, Seven Tunnel Junction, Patchway, Bristol Parkway, Yate, Cannon Dursley, Gloucester, Cheltenham Spa, Ashchurch for Tewkesbury, Worcester Shrub Hill, Worcester Foregate Street, Malvern Link and Great Malvern. Platform 0 for the 0800 Midlands Railway. Service to Great Malvern. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.